In today's class, I will explain about infix to postfix expression conversion using stack. Okay, this is the algorithm is required to convert from infix to postfix. Then first step is that to scan the expression from the left to the right. When the input symbol is an operand, then we can add them into the postfix expression. When the input symbol is operator or parenthesis, we push them into the stack and also we maintain the precedence of them. Then how do you maintain the precedence of the operators? We will see in the next slide. Then these are rules for the conversion from the infix to the postfix expression. Then first step is that the stock is empty, whether the stock is consist of left parenthesis on the top, simply then we push the incoming operator onto the stack. The second step is that if the incoming symbol is open parenthesis, we can push it onto the stack. Then third step is that if the incoming symbol is closing parenthesis, pop the stack and output the operators until the left parenthesis is found in the stack. Then fourth one is this is the regarding the operator precedences. The incoming operator greater than the top of the stack, simply we can push it onto the stack, no problem. Then in case of fifth one, incoming operator is less than the top of the stack, then pop it and print the top of the stack. Then test the incoming operator against the new top of the stack. Then when it comes to the step 6, the incoming operator equal to the top of the stack. Both precedents are having the same. Then we can use the associativity. Then if it is left associativity or right associativity, it is depends on the symbol. If the associativity is from left to the right, then what we have to do here? Then pop it and print the top of the stack. Then push the incoming operator. If the associative is from the right to the left, then push the incoming operator. This is the rule 6. Then what is the incoming operator is greater than top of the stack? Incoming operator is less than the top of the stack when incoming operator is equal to the top of the stack. These three steps you need to check it. Then seventh one, at the end of the expression, pop all the operators and print all the operators of the stack. Then, as per these rules, I will explain you with help of the example. Then this is the infix expression has been given as an input. Then how do you convert into the postfix using the stack and some of the rules? Then K, then first we can scan the expression from the left to the right. Then we can check whether it is operator and operands or parenthesis. Then K is an operand, simply we can add into the postfix expression. Okay, this is a stack. I will write it over here. Then which one we can add into the stack, either operators or operand, you can tell me. Then what is the next one? Plus operator. The plus is the operator, then simply can add into the stack. This is the stack one. Then here I will also add plus operator in this stack. What is the next one? L is operand, simply we can add it in the postfix expression. See here. Then next one is what? Minus is the operator. Then we check the precedence. The minus can we place over here or not? Then both are equal. First, what you have to do? Then pop the plus operator from the stack. We can pop the minus. Sorry to say, you can plus operator can be popped from the stack. Then we can push the minus operator into the stack. Then plus operator can be popped. Here it is popped from the stack. Then we can add into the postfix expression because both are equal. That's why it is a left associative. Then we can scan the expression from the left to the right. That's why we can pop it and push the minus operator into the stack. Okay, then what is the next one? M is an operand. That's why directly we can add into the postfix expression. Then it is a multiplication operator. Then here minus. Okay, minus is there, multiplication. There is no problem. The multiplication operator is having the highest precedence than the minus. We can place the multiplication operator on the top of the minus. there is no problem. Okay, then n, because n directly we can add it over here, then plus, then when, because when plus symbol is found, simply we can push into the stack, because the plus is having the less priority than multiplication operator. That's why we can pop multiplication operator from the stack, then directly we can add it over here. Then after that you can check the minus, the plus minus, both are having the same precedence. At that time also you can pop the minus from the stack, then plus can be added over here. Here this is a stack content, only one element will be there, that is called as the plus. Then after that, what is the next input symbol? Open parenthesis. Okay, open parenthesis is also be added into the stack. Then that is next o directly we can add it to the postfix. It is not a operator or parenthesis. Then here, then cap symbol, it is operator, that's why we can add it into the stack, no problem. Then after that p, the p can be added over here. P is not a operator, that's why directly you can add them into the postfix expression. The next one, what is the next one? Closing parenthesis. The whenever you closing parenthesis is found, then we can pop until the opening parenthesis is found in the stack. Here, what are the elements to be popped from the stack? Then here, okay, the cap symbol can be popped from the stack. Then it is found, the open parenthesis found, then we can stop. Here, that's why the cap symbol has been popped from the stack. Then we can add it into the postfix expression. Check it over here. Then after that, only place will be there in the stack. Then now multiplication operator, there is no problem. Multiplication operator can be placed on the top of the place symbol. There is no problem. Then w is the operand. Directly we can add them into the postfix expression. Then it is a symbol, the division is a symbol, that's why we can add division operator is having the same precedence of multiplication operator. Then multiplication operator can be popped from the stack, then we can add it in the postfix expression. Then after that, the place and division operator are there in the stack. Then after that, u is the operand, directly we can add it to the postfix expression. Here we got the division operator. The division operator already is there in the stack. Both are equal. That's why division operator can be popped from the stack. Then we can add it in the postfix expression. Then after that, the v is operand. Directly we can add them into the postfix expression. Then multiplication operator. The multiplication operator and division operator is having the same precedence. That's why division operator can be popped from the stack, then we can add them into the postfix expression. Then after that, what are the operators in the stack? The place and multiplication operators. Then what is the next one? T. The input symbol is T. T is the operand. Directly we can add them into the postfix expression. Then after that, then place. The place operator cannot be placed on the top of the multiplication operator, because the multiplication operator is having the highest precedence than place. That's why we can pop multiplication operator from the stack. Okay, multiplication operator has been popped. Then another operator in the stack, that is a place. The place operator is also equal precedence of the place in the stack. That's why which is also can pop from the stack. That's why the multiplication operator, the place operator can be can be popped from the stack. Then place as placed in the stack. Then what is the next one? Q. Q is the last symbol. That's why directly we can add them into the postfix expression. There is no other input symbol to be scanned. The Q is the last symbol in the expression. That's why whatever the operators are there in the stack, all operators can be popped from the stack. Then only one operator is there in the stack, that can be popped from the stack. After Q, the place can be added. This is called the postfix expression. Postfix expression. Okay. What is the infix expression has been given, then this is the infix expression as given as input. Okay, this is the postfix expression of this input expression by using the stack. Still, if you have any doubt regarding this infix to postfix expression evaluation using the stack, please connect me through a comment box. Thank you all for watching my videos.